I had to go get the camera. The rock quarry is rolling the big machine. Right about there. The machine with the thumb, that's the one I like. These woods back here, they cleared that in just a few hours. They have this machine with a thumb, and it grabs the tree, shakes it off, and they throw it over. That's the machine he'll use to pull out my tall pines. But I mean, it's just on the other side of that berm. It rolled up. That machine is impressive. My girls are laying some eggs. Busy in the hen house. Boudreaux's girls lay their eggs early, like this. There's Boudreaux. Bob's girls lay their eggs a little bit later in the day. Like I say, just behind this berm, they just shut off the big machine. It's sitting right there. I need a drone. But one day he'll come over this hill, this berm, and he'll yank out these tall pines for me. They all lean towards this side, and they fall down pretty regular. Pine tree is our state tree, which is crap. I didn't get to vote on that. This one fell down. Luckily, it fell the other way. There's about 5 I have laying in the ground that he's going to pick up, and they're all wrapped up in barbed wire. These woods are all booby-trapped with barbed wire, and I mean, it's a nightmare. It is a nightmare. So look, let me show you what I have over here. I don't know anything about much of anything gardening. It's my 3rd year. And last year I planted herbs in this bed here. And all this has grown back by itself. I have no clue what any of it is. Every now and then I can recognize a blade of grass and I'll pull it out. And look, the elderberry, it's doing so fantastic. It's actually got a whole bunch of trees started down here. But it's making shade on my potatoes. On this back side here, it's making shade. So I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. These potatoes are all up and doing good. Oh, and I planted some sweet potatoes right here. And I have more slips coming. I guess I could stick a couple more in there. My little hydrangea made it through the winter. Tony got a lot of this up, but he's still working on it. And this is stuff that's coming in the house. It's a little refrigerator and some different things, but he's got to blow out the back. I have plants hardening up everywhere, hardening off. Got some marigolds, buttercrunch lettuce. Over here I have a bunch of peppers hardening off. Now I won't be able to fit many more of these tomatoes in my yard, but my girlfriend Brenda needs some. I'm going to take her some. But I'm greedy. I want them all. Toby, what you doing? Tobe. He's ignoring me. He's always busy. Fixing to go in and make his breakfast. Do his little food training. I'll start off with the fork till I see how hard he's biting. He's bit a few more times now, so he's got to go back on his training. It's just food, you know. He just loses his mind. He jumped full body into my plate the other night to get a barbecue sandwich. But I mean, I get it. He was starved. I might have to always work with him a little bit with the food aggression. I was going to put Cosmos here, but I needed a place to put squash and eggplant. Will they grow here? I don't know. It's not full sun, that's for sure. But if all I grow is the greenery, that'd be beautiful, and I could put it in my compost pile. David the Good grows stuff just to chop it down and put it in his compost pile. So if I have to do that, that's okay. Kind of muddy here. It's been raining. Okay.